Hey guys, what's going on today? Today's a quick review on the Stud Sensor Tack Life Stud Finder. This one is a pretty easy tool to use around the house. I've always used for finding studs in the wall to hang pictures or whatever else you want to put on the wall. So I'll give you guys a quick review on how to actually use this. So of course it's got a power mode here on the side. Of course I want to put it on the wall actually before I do anything and suppress that button. It does have two scan modes here. One for stud scan and the other one is for thick scan. Of course it does run off of just a one regular 9-volt battery inside there, and it does come included with it. So I'll go ahead and give you guys a quick rundown of how to actually use this thing. So let's try to, obviously you don't know exactly if you're putting one on a stud or not, but let's go ahead and press the power button and she should stop screaming at you, and that should mean you're off of a stud. If not, you would get some kind of error code and it would just not work properly. So I always do 2 tries on this. So we're gonna go ahead and tack this and try to find the first outside of that 2x4 in there. So we're gonna go ahead and start getting a little reading right there. Let's try it one more time. We're gonna scroll on over. Boom, there it is. There's the outside of the first stud. Now let's go ahead and go over and let's try to find the other side. So I would originally put a little tack right there, a little hole in the wall or a pencil mark, and that should be the other side. So we should have one right about here and about there. And of course I would know the middle of that stud right there, and I'd go ahead and put my nail right in the middle of it. So that's how you use a stud finder. Super easy to use. But as far as, yeah, like I said, keep in mind you're wanting to find the outsides of each stud. If you do go ahead and place it on that stud right there, it would kind of go, but you can catch it. I'm not catching anything. It would probably, you know, it might be catching some wires in there. But you see, it's just not working very good. These should be spaced out by code about every 16 inches, I think is what they're supposed to be. But anyway, another thing, don't press it and then put it on the wall, because it's just gonna be rating that density of the drywall, so your scans are gonna be off. But anyway, that's how you use a stud finder. As always, hope this was a quick, easy, nice video, learn how to use it. And as always, if you guys feel free to subscribe to us, comment, like, and I can't wait to see you guys in the next one. See you guys.